Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML elements. So what we are talking about is HTML quotation and citation elements. So quickly, let's continue. In our document, today we are using the address element, the HTML address for contact information, the HTML address tag. This tag will have the opening and closing tag. So let's quickly understand it. The HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author/owner of a document or an article. The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media handle, etc. àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. The text in the address element usually renders in italic, that is, it will bend like this. This is italic text. These are normal text. To bend, I think in our former video we have discussed about this. You can go and watch it. And browsers will always add a line break before and after the address element. That is, after you write the opening and closing tag for the address, it will have a line break. That is, if you want to add another tag like this, it will jump. Like if you want to add this one like this as it is here, let's say you want to add another one. I will demonstrate it quickly for you now. Let's say we want to add something here, like this is our own here. So let's say we want to add something here, and you still want to have another one here. It will have a line break no matter what. Even if you do it like this, it will never jump. So let's see how it works. We will see now. Let's go to our document. Reload it. Can you see it jumps despite the fact that I try to shift this? Even if I do it like this, everything on inline, it will never works. It will always jumps. I think I want you to understand my point here. Let's say as this one is on the same line, let me make it on the same line very well, so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see everything is on the same line. Even if you take this also to that same line too, it will never work. It will never work. You see, all these, they are all on the same line now. As you can see, they are all on the same line with this one. So let's save it and see how it looks. It will look the same. That is, it will always jump no matter how you do it. So there is a way we can control it, but in the future tutorial we can talk about it. So let me put line break for you to see where the break happens. The break happens here. We have discussed about the BR tag in our other video. You can go and see. Can you see how it looks? So no matter how, if you write anything, no matter how, it will jump. It will take another after one address tag. After the opening and closing address tag, it will jump to another line. After opening and closing address tag, it will jump to another line. So that's how it works. It never go like this, like inline. It never go like that. So I will discuss about the inline block code, a lot, everything like that. I will discuss it later. So as you can see how it looks, it's looking nice, right? Yes, it's looking nice. Let's quickly save this and see how our address looks. And you can style it. You can give it a font style, font family. I'm just using this for you to know that we can give it any styling. You can do anything with it. So go back to your document. Let's reload it. Can you see how it looks? So, and we can style it anyhow we want. We can do it anyhow we want. So if you don't want this one, you can use another one. So but me, I will not use another one yet because I want us to be fast with this today. So can you see? Let's reload our document and see how it looks. Can you see? It works fine. And you can style it anyhow you want. You can put this anywhere in your document to look nice. So this is it. So I think we are done for the address today. The address opening and closing tag. If you want to indent this, you have to, let's say, if you want to make sure that everything comes gap by gap, like if you want to have a line break, you have to put your BR tag so it can have a line break. If not, it will not have a line break. Some people want it with line break, some people will not want it with line break. So it depends on what you want. If you don't want it with line break, it can work. If you want it with line break, it will work. See this one now. Let's remove the line breaks so you can see how it works. So we are removing it again so you can see how it works. You can see it goes, and if you look at your document, it can be like this, can be like this, depend on the size you give it. It can look like this, can look like anyhow you want it. It can look like anyhow you want it. That's how the line breaks works. So my people, I think we are going to stop here today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I wish to see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.